Hey, I'm Jake representing the Springboks, and this is Sam for the All Blacks. We were trying to clear my backyard to set up the ultimate mini rugby test match, but our pitch was a total disaster area. There were giant rocks, massive holes, and heaps of dirt everywhere. Pushing and pulling was useless. Human strength just wasn't going to cut it. We needed to boost our power levels, but without supersuits or magic. We needed a mechanical system. In science, a mechanical system is a setup of physical parts that manages force to accomplish a task. By using simple machines, we can work smarter, changing the direction or the size of the force we apply. The ultimate simple machine for back-end construction is the lever. A lever is just a rigid bar that pivots on a fixed point. That fixed point is called the fulcrum. The heavy thing you want to move is the load, and the push or pull you apply is the force, also known as the effort. The real magic of a lever is something called mechanical advantage. This is when a machine takes the small effort you put in and multiplies it. This principle means you can lift incredibly heavy loads using just your own body weight and a bit of clever physics. Our first obstacle was a giant rock stuck right on the 50-meter line. It was impossible to lift. To pry it out, Sam grabbed a heavy steel crowbar and wedged it over a small log. This created a first-class lever. In a first-class lever, the fulcrum, which is the log, sits right in the middle between the effort and the load. Because Sam placed the log, which is our fulcrum, close to the rock, he got a massive mechanical advantage. He pushed down with his effort on the long end of the bar, and the rock, which is our load, popped right up. He used the concept of fulcrum placement to multiply his downward force into a huge upward lift. The rock was out, but it was too heavy to carry to the sidelines. Time for a second-class lever, the wheelbarrow. In a second-class lever, the load sits in the middle, the wheel at the front is the fulcrum, and my hands lifting the handles provide the effort. Second-class levers are incredible because they always multiply your force. Even though the rock weighed a ton, the mechanical advantage of the wheelbarrow meant my lifting effort was totally manageable. We used this reliable mechanical system to roll that heavy load off the pitch in seconds. Finally, the ground was too bumpy for a safe sidestep. Sam grabbed a rake to smooth the dirt. A rake is a third-class lever. Here, the effort is in the middle. Your top hand is the fixed fulcrum. Your lower hand provides the effort, and the dirt at the bottom is the load. Third-class levers don't multiply force, but they multiply distance and speed, letting Sam rake the whole pitch in record time. And just like that, our pitch was ready. By understanding mechanical systems and using all three classes of levers, we transformed a messy yard into a perfect rugby field. The fulcrum, effort, and load did the heavy lifting for us. Now, game on!